This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Wow. Let's see what's on the news. Hop.
The Snow King and the Queen had a long-awaited heiress. Everyone is invited to the palace to meet their new princess.
Wow! Oh my god, I gotta hurry!
Yes, for such a serious vis-a-vis, you need to clearly prepare properly.
Now I look like I should. And what should I give to her?
The earring? Oh no, let's make something incredible from it. Carefully get rid of the sharp tip and glue a silicone cap instead, like this. No royal gift is complete without precious stones. With such a sparkling chain, Sam's gift will definitely be outstanding. And it's a gorgeous pacifier, ideal for a princess.
Whoa, this is classy. Give it to me, Sue. Sorry, make way. Coming through.
Everyone has gathered here to greet their future queen. Finally, our pink slime also managed to break through the crowd.
Oh, your highness.
From a fabric that looks like shiny snow, we'll make a top for a little Elsa. And a piece of blue too is perfect for cute pleated skirt. We'll braid her snow white hair and decorate the elastic band. Every princess should have her own throne. We'll decorate it in Elsa style. Blue foam paper with beautiful shiny elements. Light blue or a darker one? Why choose? Let's use both. Let's add cozy soft pillows and embed a few elegant beads to the back. Well, your highness, what do you say? Everyone wants a list of glance of attention from the princess.
Such a little baby. That's right. Well, shoo, all of you, go! Come on, go home, yo! Those people. There, dear princess. I know what will calm you down. Here, this is for you from me. You look gorgeous.
Wow, well done, Sam. And this is for your resourcefulness.
Hello, thank you, I'm flattered.
The little princess is supposed to get her daytime rest. Cut out the pieces for the slat seat from foam board and glue the back slightly at an angle. Lace will give the royal sleigh a truly winter pattern. It's like our sled has been carved out of a piece of ice. Let's make this kids.
My precious. Hey! Come on!
This is just what we need. We'll paint 2 candy canes in the color of the sleigh and glue them in their place. Awesome! It turned out great!
Sue, look at the sophisticated handles I made. No, I'll do it myself.
That's what I thought. And here's how it should have been done. Easy. Wow, what a beauty. And it shines so bright. Amazing. The nanny will give the princess a little sleigh ride so that she can sleep better.
Excuse me, give me that. I'll ride it myself. I'm an honorary nanny with an order. Come, your highness.
What a disgrace! Wait, you!
Just
Hey!
stay down, people.
Wait! Wait! No!
Oh, Elsa, where are you? Oh, you little prankster, come on out. Oh, wow, how fast you have grown. Let's brush you. Now we're talking. So it's time for the royal classes. But this little fidget is not so easy to be seated down for studying.
Your highness, stop it. Oh, shivering cheddars, when will it end? Your highness, cut it out. I'm begging you.
I understand that one nanny's order is not enough for you.
The nanny knows all about good manners and the rules of conduct in the kingdom.
A true princess should not only know how to wear a crown.
After theory, they moved on to practice. It's time to welcome guests.
Oh, princess, I came from afar and I want our kingdoms to be friends.
The best conditions for small talk, of course, are over a cup of a tasty tea.
Oh, thank you. Nothing to eat, huh?
Let's make a miniature kitchen for our little princess. 1, 2, and the basis for the working area is ready. The cooker is gonna be here. Great. And a little sink fits perfectly next to it. We need a dish drawer. Snow-covered doors, by the way, are the hit of the season. Let's add a few cute yet very useful little things. And the final touch, or rather, the final drop of hot glue. Lovely! Now there are icicles everywhere. It's worthy of 100 likes, huh? But no kitchen can do without a table and chairs. Let's see what's here. It's too plain for a snow princess. Now this is completely different chair. See for yourselves. Little Elsa can feed all her toys.
Have a sit here, Mr. Plushy Duck. Would you like some refreshments? Let's see. A delicious stew made from fresh snowballs. Here you go. Bon appetit. It's so cute that even with her toys, Elsa behaves like a princess. Now it's time to take a breath of fresh air.
Oh, what a lovely day today. Elsa was walking in the park, daydreaming, and suddenly, a snow whirlwind burst right out of her palm. The princess herself did not notice how she used her magic for the very first time. We cut out 2 triangular pieces from a shiny foam paper. Let's make them stronger by gluing them onto foam board. Add more glue, and a solid base for the slide is ready. It's gonna be super slippery. Adults may help with the pieces for a solid wooden ladder, but you can paint and decorate the steps yourself. With such railings and fences, the slide is absolutely safe. And now it's even more beautiful.
Oh, I just have to try it out. I'm going.
That was fun. Oh, it looks like there's someone in the bushes.
Hello, I'm Emily. Let's play together.
Of course. I'm Elsa. Let's race.
And now the young princess has a best friend. Well, isn't that great? Replace the doll hair with snow white threads and give her outfit a royal look. Elsa has grown up and goes to school now.
So much homework today. And how will I carry all the textbooks and notebooks?
Night Sam is ready to save a damsel in distress from any fire-breathing beast.
Get out! Go home now! And you better help me carry all this.
Ha! Easy peasy. I'm willing to lend you my backpack.
Ah, what a real knight you are. But this backpack is not quite in Elsa's style.
Whoosh! That's better.
Elsa, how did you do that?
Pretty simple. Take white foam paper. Cut out 2 identical pieces of the shape we need. Put them together with a strip of shiny foam paper. Make a small hole. This way you can fit a lot of stuff in your backpack. We'll add a strap and secure clasp on its top and make a pretty clip art on its front. Let's work with a brush. Just a couple of touches and our backpack looks even more like Olaf. A pair of simple straps complete our craft. Textbooks are in the backpack. It's time to go home. Hey, what's this on the announcement board?
Song contest? That's great! I so want to participate.
Wow, just look at this scene. So elegant.
Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it. Oh, I wanted to say meet our new contestant, Elsa.
Let's make a microphone stand from a piece of straw. The cork plug missed something, and we'll use it. A wooden skewer will also come handy. Let's glue it all together. We'll shape the microphone from air plasticine. Now let's add more color and brightness to it. And here's the most beautiful decor in the Frozen style. And the microphone is ready. Elsa takes the stage full of determination and begins to sing. Holy cannoli, princess! The audience is thrilled.
Yes, well done. Keep it up. Hooray. Well, it's clear that the first place goes to me. Elsa. That was awkward. You were amazing today.
Aw, thanks. You're so nice. Congratulations, Elsa. Well done. But this is far from the end of the story. Aw, we found an old manuscript, but it needs a proper cover. Attach shiny rhinestones to a piece of foam paper. Apply a frosty pattern along the contour with acrylic paint. Additionally, decorate the edges of the cover to your liking. Well, why don't we have a magic book with a magic crystal in the center? Now not a single page is gonna get lost. Cool! Elsa has grown now and all the secrets of Arendelle will be revealed to her. Whoosh!
Come on, princess. I'll teach you how to turn broccoli into ice cream.
Whoa, Elsa can't wait to try. What is the first spell? Abracadabra boom! And a simple chair turns into a delightful royal throne. Assembling the foam board base is not so difficult. Elsa's favorite color is blue. There you go! The ice throne will not do without icicles sticking out in different directions, even if they are just made of shiny foam paper. A throne worthy of a future queen. So comfortable. I wonder what else her magic is capable of.
A couple of shots for the Daily Arendelle.
But as soon as Elsa began to pose, a bunch of snowflakes accidentally escaped from her hands.
Oh, help me. I'm a little stuck in here.
What's happening? I can't see anything.
Whoa, Elsa's unplanned magic has turned Olaf into Prince Charming.
What?
Elsa is happy, but what's next? That is gonna be another story.
I just love the park in the early morning. Don't you, Daffodil? Oh, it's nice and quiet. I love it because it's so beautiful. Yuck! Someone dropped some litter on the ground. Why can't they use the trash can? That's very strange. I don't see one. I'm sure there used to be a trash can here somewhere. Found it! have grown up all around it. Oh, you can't really blame the visitors for not using it if they can't see it. Well, we'd better make sure they can. We'll need some help.
He hasn't moved since I got here. I'm asking myself, is it some invisible force field? Is he practicing to become a statue? Or is it...
Bucky?
Chef Dorn, you can speak. It's so good to hear your voice. I was just...
Bucky, just listen. I want to move, but...
You're stuck to the ground.
Chewing gum.
We have to get the visitors using that trash can again.
Problem solved.
Visitors in the park! Visitors in the park! Leap up, lily buds!
Oh, honey, let me wipe that ice cream off your face.
They didn't put it in the trash can.
They must have got used to it not being there, so they haven't noticed it's back again. Then we'll have to make sure they do.
Carrot curry soup, Chef. Your favorite.
Ready to pull? On 3.
Thank you, Bucky.
1,
Very thoughtful.
2, 3.
It's just a little soup, Thorn.
You wouldn't say that if you were stuck in chewing gum.
And covered in carrot curry soup.
I'm sure you'll find a solution. No, I'm stuck in chewing gum.
I think the only thing to do is wait for the gum to harden. Then I'll chip it away. You could be here for the day.
What? Visitor alert! Take cover, lily buds!
They'll never see you now.
Thank you, Bucky.
All clear! We have an all clear!
Oh, no! It's worse now.
Could we put up some kind of sign, this way to the trash can? We can never make one big enough for the visitors to see.
Oh, I could stand next to the trash can and point. Or I could disguise myself as a snail.
No, Moss. You've given me an idea. What if there was someone near the trash can calling attention to it? Someone who can be seen. And someone cuter than a snail? So, it's very simple and safe. What we want you to do is lead visitors to the trash can by being cute.
Oh, they can certainly manage that. They are very cute. Stop that, Maud.
Claudette said she was cuter than me. I am cuter than her.
I'm the cutest. I'm the cutest.
Stop it, Carson. No, you're not. Mama, tell him.
That's enough, all of you. They're usually so well behaved. I'm sure they'll be better when they've walked off some of that energy. Off we go.
Thank you for coming. We'll let you know. What now? Who are we going to find who's cute enough to... Hello, Ellery.
Hello, ladies. I've just seen Thorn and his furry assistant out in the square, where they seem to be stuck for the moment. And I thought...
And you thought you'd just check to make sure the kitchen was secure?
Miss Lilybud, you know me so well. You're right, I care. I care about everything.
You're quite cute, aren't you?
Who, me? I have been called handsome, sophisticated, dashing. Yes, even cute, I do believe.
I've heard enough. Ellery, would you follow us, please?
Lilac, for the 5th time, stop pushing me out in the sun.
I'm not. You're pushing me. Guys, you shouldn't really be out in the open anyway, in case you're seen.
Oh, thank you, Rose. The sun was making them kind of grumpy. They'll be much better now.
Huh? Still hasn't hardened. This is all your fault.
I'm not listening.
I'm not talking to you then. Bucky, please tell Thorn I'm not talking to him.
Bucky, please, tell Lilac I'm not listening to her.
So, how exactly do you see this star chipmunk? Is he young? Old? Does he have brothers and sisters? Or is he perhaps an only child?
I think he's mostly cute.
That's certainly no challenge for me.
Visitor alert! Leap up, lily buds!
You're on, Ellery. Go out there and show them the trash can.
Look at that adorable chipmunk.
That's remarkable. It's as if he's trying to tell us where the trash can is.
Great job, Ellery. Once visitors see the trash can, our litter problem will be solved.
I was good, wasn't I? Yes, I think we've got plenty to work with here.
Leap up, lily buds! Leap up, lily buds!
You have to come and see this chipmunk living in the trash can. He's so cute and funny. tell Thorn. I spy with my little eye something beginning with L.
Chef Thorn, Lilac spies with her little eye something beginning with L.
Can you tell her we've had Leaf already?
I was talking about these lavender cookies. I mean, Bucky, would you please tell Thorn that it's not Leaf that I spied, but lavender?
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Here's your apple juice and your carrot slices, Ellery.
I've changed my mind. I want raspberry juice. And honey. I must have honey.
Right away.
Hello. Am I needed by the trash can? A star's work is never done.
No, you're fine. We just wanted to say thank you. You've been brilliant.
I know.
Everyone's using the trash can. It's wonderful. But could you possibly stop now? It's just that you're actually attracting more visitors to the park.
Isn't that the job of the entertainer?
We're getting no work done because we're hiding all the time.
I hear what you're saying. But if my public wants me, then I can't let them down, can I?
It's a problem, all right. Look at poor Spearmint. He's plumb tuckered out. We're doing visitor alerts every 2 minutes.
It's our fault. We asked Ellery to be cute.
We don't need cute. We need quiet, well-behaved, someone who can be under control and take direction.
That's it! Mama Duck! Mama Duck! We have a favor to ask you.
Better go get this Spearmint. Here we go again.
Quick, over here!
Visitor alert! Leap up, Lilybud!
There he is. There's your chipmunk.
Oh, look, Mommy! Baby ducks!
Oh, we'd better stay away. Don't want to scare the little things or worry the mother duck.
Come on, honey. Let's go home.
Hang on, dear. Just have to throw away these cans and garbage.
Oh, hey, Cap. Did you know Lilac makes her own marshmallows? She promised to give me lessons in the buttercup, didn't you?
And I never knew. Thorn is the best person ever at Simon Says.
It's amazing what you learn about people sometimes. Huh, Bucky, how kind.
Oh, the gum's hard. We can rescue you now.
No. Don't worry about us if you have other things to do.
Raspberry peach. Thorn, you have to try this.
Mr. Ellery, can we have your autograph, please?
I'm sorry, but I am out of the entertainment business.
Please!
All right.
Hello!